Okay, this is a bird dog iso hold. You need a bench and a dumbbell. All right, so John's going to set it up on the bench. All right, so it's opposite leg, opposite arm. So he's stabilizing the left arm. He's extending the left leg. He's going to bring that right arm up into row position, and he's just going to hold and breathe. You have 8 rounds of breath. Okay, so it's actually harder to stabilize and breathe here than it is to move the arm. It requires insane control of the core. This left glute is engaged. He's trying to extend the leg as far as he can, and then he's pulling this elbow up towards the sky and taking really big inhales and exhales. You have 8 rounds of breath on each side.